In this video, I will show you how to add a custom code in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder on Hostinger, and to add your custom code in Hostinger, just click on these little three dots or website settings, then click on integrations. Under custom code, this is where you need to add your custom code. After adding your custom code, don't forget to hit Save Changes button. And after your changes are saved successfully, click on Update Website also in order to reflect your custom code online. And to verify if your custom code is successfully added, just visit your website like that. With your mouse, click on Inspect. Select this part of the table and hit Command F on MacBook or Control F on PCs. As you can see, a new search bar is open. Now click on Control V or Command V to paste your custom code. For example, my custom code. This is part of my custom code. Paste it here, and as you can see, I can see it in my Google code, in my website code, and this means my custom code is added successfully to my website on Hostinger Website Builder.